Alice is coordinating a collaborative project. To prepare the budget, she needs contributions from Bob, Patrick and Michael, who lead the participating business units. They all work in Microsoft Excel. Let's look at Bob. Bob estimates the costs of its business unit, using a template, reporting the costs categories. For each category, he lists the costs details. On the right, he prepares a table that reports the total costs per category, and exposes such a table to Alice. Alice sees a table reporting the total costs exposed by the business units, calculates the total costs of the project per category, and visualizes the budget composition in a pie chart. The DocSpace platform keeps the Alice table synchronized with the tables exposed by Bob, Patrick and Michael, so that any update made by them immediately appears in the Alice's table. No need for Power BI, Google Docs, Excel Online. Just Excel.